Alright folks, coming up next is Amtrak Capital Corridor train 528. Final destination of that train is going to Sacramento. Here it comes. In the distance, that's 7-Eleven on its way to Jack London Square. Once again, this is Amtrak 528 headed to Sacramento. We'll be arriving on track number 1 right in front of me. Happy Friday, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Friday. Oh, 8307. Now Baldy Ball leads off of this one. Now Baldy. (8307). And the SC44 Charger, 2106. Alright, there go that train arriving to Sacramento. This train is headed to Sacramento, arriving at Emeryville Station. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye.